Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify all rings. Ring 1, benzene ring, aromatic, counts as 1 ring plus 3 double bonds is equal to 4 DoU. Ring 2, left fused alicyclic ring, cyclohexane type fused to benzene on the left, 1 ring DoU. Ring 3, right fused alicyclic ring, cyclohexane type fused to benzene on the right, 1 ring DoU. Total from rings, 3 rings is equal to 3 DoU, ring contributions. Moving on to the next step. Identify all pi bonds, double and triple bonds, not already counted in the benzene ring count. Benzene ring, 3C is equal to C pi bonds, DoU is equal to 4 total for benzene, 1 ring plus 3 pi. Left alicyclic ring, 1C is equal to C double bond is equal to 1 DoU. Right alicyclic ring, 1C is equal to C double bond is equal to 1 DoU. Carboxylic acid group, Co1C is equal to O pi bond is equal to 1 DoU. Terminal alkyne side chain, -CC to pi bonds is equal to 2 DoU. Moving on to the next step. Benzene, 1 ring plus 3 pi bonds, is equal to 4. Left ring, 1 ring, is equal to 1. Right ring, 1 ring, is equal to 1. Left ring C is equal to C is equal to 1. Right ring C is equal to C is equal to 1. Co-C is equal to O is equal to 1. Alkyne, 2 pi bonds, is equal to 2. Total is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 11. And for the final step, verify against options. A. 6, too low, misses multiple unsaturations. B. 7, too low, misses the alkyne and several pi bonds. C. 10, off by 1, likely misses 1 pi bond contribution. D. 11, matches the complete count of 3 rings plus 3, benzene pi, plus 1, left ring C is equal to C, plus 1, right ring C is equal to C, plus 1, Co, plus 2, alkyne, is equal to 11. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.